Hi guys, this is Shikha from Just Crafts. Today I will be making a mask chain. This is a simple, fast, easiest cord to make a mask chain, and it looks very beautiful. For this we will need a hook which is 1.5 mm. This is a cotton thread. It is of Anchor company and it is called as knitting thread. We will need these hooks to attach our mask, and you can also use these kind of charms which looks actually pretty on the mask. So let's get started. I have done a video on basic stitches of crochet. I'll be putting it in my description. The link will be in my description box. So whoever is new to crochet can just go to that link and see my basic stitches ka video. So let's get started. We will be doing 3 chains first. I will be doing a single crochet in the first chain. So I get this small ring where I can attach my hook. Then I will be doing 3 chains. Now in the first chain I will make half DC, that is yarn over, go in the first chain, come out, but I won't finish my DC. I will again yarn over, go in the first chain, come out, and now I will yarn over and come out of all the loops. Again I will make 2 chains and I will be repeating this step. I will make 2 incomplete DCs. So I have 5 loops in my needle, and then I will yarn over and come out of all the loops together. Then I will again make 2 chains, again 2 incomplete double crochets, yarn over, come out, and then come out of all the loops together. So this is how we will continue our cord. For adults we generally need 21 inches string, and for kids I generally prefer making 14 inches. Then it depends according to your requirement, but the standard size is 21 inches for adults and 14 inches for kids. So this is how I will be doing my mask chain. So here I have already done one. This one I have already done, and let's see how can we end it. So I will be doing my last design once again. That's 2 incomplete DCs. This is the second one. Yarn over and get out of all the loops. Now I will be doing 3 chains, and I'll make a small ring where I can attach my hook. So this is the small ring which we did in the starting also, like this, and at the end also. And here I will cut off the thread. I'll release this. This is how we complete our cord. Now I will finish these leftover threads by simply inserting from the loops. Once again I will be doing this. And I will cut the rest of the thread. Same way I will do the other side. And here I have this hooks. We need a plier and jump rings also. These are called jump rings. You get different sizes in this. This is the smaller one. You can even take the bigger one, that's not a problem. So I open my jump ring, I insert this hook and I insert this jump ring through that 3 chain small tiny circle. So this is how I attach my hook. Same way we'll do it on the other side. I'll open my jump ring, insert this hook, insert in this 3 chain circle, and I will close my jump ring. And to the same jump ring you can even attach one of the charms. This really looks very pretty, guys. I had got an order for these chains and they were really looking pretty. So I personally like these charms, and you can attach in this jump ring. Yeah, so here is our mask chain ready, and we can attach in our mask like this so that we don't lose our mask, we don't keep our marks anywhere, and it's always neat and clean and near us. It's hanged near our neck. So this is how it looks. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful to you, please do like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.